Have you ever wondered whether your laptop battery is still healthy or slowly dying? Maybe your laptop doesn't last as long as it used to, or perhaps you're planning to buy a used laptop and want to check the condition of its battery before making a decision. The good news is that Windows includes a hidden tool that can give you a detailed report about your battery's health, usage history, estimated battery life, and even an estimate of how much battery life you've lost over time. Before I show you how to generate the battery report, let's first look at what information this report contains and why it's so useful. This is a battery report that I've already generated, and take a look at all the information inside. First, you have information about your device. The next section is installed batteries. This section shows information about the battery installed in your laptop, including the manufacturer, battery type, design capacity, and full charge capacity. The most important part here is the comparison between design capacity and full charge capacity. This helps you quickly understand the overall health of your battery and how much capacity it has lost over time. Also, you have cycle count, which basically shows that how many times battery is charged. Next, we have recent usage. This section shows when the laptop was running on battery power and when it was connected to a charger. Basically, when you connect your charger to your laptop, then it runs directly on your charger, instead of using your battery. It can help you identify recent battery activity and charging patterns. After that, we have battery usage. Here, you can see how much battery power was consumed over time. This section gives you a quick overview of your battery's usage. Next is usage history. This section compares how long the laptop has been used on battery power versus how long it has been plugged into a charger. Then we have battery capacity history. This section tracks how your battery's full charge capacity has changed over time. By looking at these numbers, you can see how much the battery has degraded since it was new. And finally, we have battery life estimates. This section estimates how long the battery could last when it was new and how long it can last today. And at the end, you can also see current estimate of battery life. This gives you a clear idea of how battery aging has affected real-world battery life. Now, let's see how to generate this report on your own computer. The process is very simple. Open the Start menu, search for Command Prompt, and open it. Once Command Prompt opens, type the following command. Then, press Enter. Windows will instantly generate a battery report and display the location where the report has been saved. Now go to your C drive. Go to Users. If you have different users accounts, then open the one you are using. Here at the end, you will find Battery Report. Simply open it in your web browser, and you'll have access to all the battery information we discussed in this video. But here's a question. If something goes wrong tomorrow, can you recover your PC? Most people can't. That's why I made another video showing how to create a Windows restore point before disaster happens. Click the video on screen right now, because this might be one of the most important Windows features you'll ever use. See you there.